This park, like 2 blocks from my house. This tree, well, to me, it reminds me of Japan. Look around. No. But look at this tree. And they got a cemetery right next to the park. So I see cemetery next to the park. Tree that reminds me of Japan. Can't tell those leaves are pink. They're pink and white blend. And there's my mother and nephew. Birds. Not much for nature, but makes me mellow. It's just nice to get this nice, cool, fresh air. I mean, it's just really good to get fresh air. If you have parks I can go to, it's fun to enjoy it. And especially when there's no other people, but right now there's people, so I gotta stop filming. I don't want to get sued for some BS reason. So, that concludes this video at 1:20.